All right, how's it going, guys? Today is Wednesday, February 11th. Going to be going over the market today. I did not take any trades today. In fact, I had the exact opposite bias. So if we go to a higher time frame here, kind of explain to you guys what I was looking at. I'll turn off the indicator for now. So my bias was bullish heading into the market this morning. Very clear draw on liquidity with this equal high to the left here. I really don't see a scenario where you could have a bearish bias when price action looked like this, okay? Price was moving with speed and momentum towards this draw on liquidity. So obviously I was looking for my continuation model, which is, leaving behind a bullish 5-minute gap and then going down to a 1-minute, looking for an inverse or break of structure towards that draw on liquidity. Obviously we did not get that. And we just completely nuked in the opposite direction. Why did this fail? A few reasons why this could have failed. Number one, we already took out the internal high, right? So actually a trade idea I had today was just taking this long here. As soon as we inversed this bearish gap right here, I was waiting for a 15-minute closure above, and we never got that. We just ran this internal high, or not internal high, but we ran this high right here. I would still consider this an external high. We just ran this high, but we never actually took out this external high, and we also have unmitigated gaps above. It is what it is, okay? We just didn't get the move I was expecting. I don't think I did anything wrong. Like, it's impossible to have a bearish bias when price looks like this, right? You're delivering off higher time frame gaps, you're inversing bearish gaps, you're taking out liquidity. Like, it's not like there's equal lows below that we can target. Like, every single PD array has been respected on this entire move up. So the draw on liquidity for me was obviously higher, and we just didn't get that. We just absolutely nuked. Obviously, it was NFP as well. So we did have like a data low, which could be another reason why we never took out that high. I guess you could say like this was a data low right here. So that could have been part of it as well. As soon as we started to lose like this order block here, as soon as we started to break structure to the downside, like I was like, dude, I'm getting off. Like, there's no point in me being on at this point. We were building up some liquidity here on the 1-minute time frame. So I was actually looking for longs from right around here. Actually, where was it? Yeah, we did get an inverse here as well. So we had a bullish SMT here with ES, bullish SMT. Let me mark this out. And we got an inverse. The only reason I didn't take this inverse here is because, number one, it was not a V-shaped reversal. It was not a clear, obvious IFEG. Also, the candle closed like way up here. And we didn't have clear targets. Like, yes, we still had this draw on liquidity higher, but we had already taken out this internal high here with this sweep. So actually, ironically, the only good short today was this 30-second IFEG because we swept external as well. There's our internal sweep, bearish momentum, very clear V-shape inverse. Like, this was unironically the best trade of the day, and it didn't even go along with my bias. And this one obviously ran like crazy. But it is what it is. I'm not mad. Very bullish bias heading into the market today. Definitely would not want to flip bearish after this. Like, I'm still bullish here. And then as soon as we started to lose structure, I was like, okay, we're probably going to go towards the data lows. Still maybe looking for longs here, like maybe looking for something because now we have like clear targets and like LR here or like equal highs. So we just never got an entry trigger. And obviously we just ran towards London lows all the way down here. And we got a pretty good reversal trade here as well, sweeping these lows. Yeah, nice little 3-minute IFEG here as well. Indicator also called this one, right? So we did get a move off the London lows, which I was expecting. Like, I was expecting us to kind of reverse here. But now it's like, okay, even if we do get a reversal, we're still longing into like bearish gaps here. So at this point, I'd like to see us inverse like this 15-minute bearish gap and then maybe look for continuation longs, right? Like, wait for an inverse here and then wait for the continuation model, meaning wait for new bullish 5-minute fair value gaps to form and then drop to a 1-minute and look for that inverse and targeting this draw. I still think we can reach this draw today. I just don't see any liquidity lower that we would need to take. So we'll see what happens. Personally, I'm done for the day. This was a pretty nice reversal here, actually. What was this? Yeah, 10:30, boom. But you know what? I'm done for the day. NFP, I don't really see any high probability setups. My thesis kind of already failed for the day. So yeah, that was it for me. Obviously, no trades on the live stream, but I will be back inside of the group tomorrow going live, and hopefully we get something better than today.